Hello dear students, welcome back to the maths class. It's time for the maths class. So as you know that we have covered our previous chapters, and now in today's class we will start a new chapter, that is chapter 11, time and temperature. So open your textbook, open page number 164. Chapter 11, time and temperature. We are starting today. Chapter 11, time and temperature, which is on book page number 164. Before starting the chapter, let me recall some points, okay, which you have already studied in class 4th, okay, related to time. So what you have already know about time? What you already know about time? You already know that time is expressed either in 12-hour format or 24-hour format. Two formats you were studied in class 4th, 12-hour format or the other one was 24 hours format. Right? These two formats you have studied in class 4th. Right? In 12-hour formats, what we use? We use two notations. To denote time, we use two notations, AM and PM. The full form of AM was anti-meridian. The full form of AM was anti-meridian. Anti-meridian. And the full form of PM was post meridian. Right now do not write anything, okay, just understand all the things. When I tell you to write, then only you will write. Right now do not write anything. In 12-hour format we use two notation, AM and PM. Right? AM stands for anti-meridian and PM stands for post-meridian. AM means before midday, and PM means after midday. These anti-meridian and post-meridian both are Latin words, and in English AM means before midday and PM means after midday. Okay, these two things you already know from class 4th. Okay, so in 12-hour format we use AM and PM to denote morning and afternoon timings. Okay, in 24-hour format we don't need any notations, right? As the hours we denote from 0 to 24. So here no need to use these notations. We directly use numbers to denote time. So these things you already know. Now, so why this chapter? If you already discussed this chapter in class 4, then why this chapter again come in class 5? So here we will learn new concepts related to time. In class 5 we will learn new concept too. Related to time, that what we will learn? We will learn these following points. We will learn, in this chapter we will learn how to convert we will learn how we convert hours into minutes. Next, we will learn how to convert seconds into minutes. We will learn how to find time duration. We will learn how to find time duration. And the fifth topic which we will discuss is temperature. These all things we will learn in this chapter 11, time and temperature. So in temperature we will see that how we convert Celsius into Fahrenheit. Okay, we will discuss this in last exercise, but basically these things we are going to discuss in chapter 11. Okay, so do not need to write this. I am just discussing that we will discuss all these points. You will write the proper chapter name, you will underline the name of the chapter properly, then you will note it down, which I am going to write now. Write chapter name, then you will write note. 1 year is equals to 365 days, or in bracket you will write 366 days in case of leap year. One year is equals to 365 days. This thing you will note it down. Okay, write chapter number, chapter's name, underline it, then you will write this note. 1 year is equals to 365 days, or bracket open, 366 days in case of leap year. 1 week is equals to 7 days, and 1 day is equals to 24 hours, and 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Note it down fast or take the screenshot. It is 7, okay? Don't get confused, it is 7. Note it down, 1 year equals to 365 days or 366 days in case of leap year. 1 week is equals to 7 days. 1 day is equals to 24 hours. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. These all points you must learn by heart. Note it down properly. Write all the things very systematically in your classwork copy. I hope you note it down. Now open Page number 166. Now open page number 166. Exercise 11.1. Open page number 166. Exercise 11.1. After noting down, write the heading for exercise 11.1. Let us see what is our question number 1. Question number 1 is convert into hours. What is our question? Question 1 is convert into hours. Here we will learn the conversion of the given into hours. So before solving anything, write the hint. For all the questions, use this hint. For all the question number 1, part A, B, C, D, whatever the given parts, use this hint. What is the hint? When we convert days into hours, use this hint always. To convert days into hours, multiply the days by 24. What is the hint or trick we will use? When we want to convert, when days are given and you want to convert it into hours, what is the hint? Multiply the days by 24. Multiply the days by 24 and you will get your final result. Let us see by solving a question. It is very easy. Just learn all the hints given by. If you learn the hints, then it will be easy for you what to do. What is the hint? To convert days into hours, what we do? We multiply days by 24. So let me check what is the given. Question number A is 9 days. Question number A. How many days given? 9 days. And you want to convert these days into hours. First of all, we will write, we know that. What we know that? We know that 1 day is equals to 24 hours. We know that 1 day is equals to 24 hours. Therefore, 9 days equals to, what is the hint? Convert the day with 24. Multiply the day with 24. So, days are 9. So, multiply 9 with 24. 9 into 24. In rough work, arrange both the numbers column wise and multiply them. 9 fours are 36. So, 6 we will write in ones column. 3 carry forward. Now multiply 9 with 2. 9 twos are 18. 18 plus 3, 21. So when we multiply 24 with 9, our result is 216. So 216 hours. Our result is 216 hours. How simple it is? It is very simple, right? To convert days into hours, what we do? We multiply days with hours and get our result. So 9 days means how many hours? 9 days means 216 hours. 9 days means 216 hours. Note it down. Write the question, write hint, then solve A. Don't write hint again and again. Just write hint only one time. Now question number B, I am writing here. Question number B. The given days are 14 days. What is given? Days are given and what we want to find? According to question we want to convert into hours. So when days are given and we want to convert in hours, what we do? We multiply days by 24. We multiply 14 by 24. So let us solve. We know that, what we know that, as days are given, so we are writing, we know that 1 day. Because days are given, that is why we are writing, we know that 1 day is equals to 24 hours. Therefore, you know that this 3 dot means therefore. Therefore, how many days? We want to calculate for 14 days. So, therefore, 14 days is equals to, what is the trick? Multiply days by 24. So, 14 multiply 24. Multiply both the numbers, arrange both the numbers column wise and multiply them. When we arrange both the number column wise and multiply, our result is 336 hours. In short, you can write h. In short, you can write small h to denote hours. So our final answer is 14 days means 336 hours. 14 days means 336 hours. Take the screenshot. As you will note it down, all the things from video lectures only. No PDFs will be provided by me. Note down all the things from video lectures only. Okay, let us move to the next question, that is question number C. Question number C. 36 days are given. 36 days are given and you want to convert it into hours. So to convert days into hours, what we do? What is the hint? Multiply days by 24. So we will write first, we know that. What we know that? We know that 1 hour, 1 day, sorry, we know that 1 day is equals to 24 hours. This thing we already know. Therefore, 36 days is equals to, what we do? What is the hint? Multiply day. How many days we have? 36 days. So multiply this 36 by 24. Now arrange both the number column wise and get your answer. Arrange both the number column wise. Arrange 36 and 24 column wise and calculate. Okay. So when we arrange both the number column wise and multiply them, my result is 864 hours. So 36 days means 864 hours. 36 days means 864 hours. Now let me solve question number D. Isn't it very simple? If you know the hint, to convert days into hours is very simple. If you learn that to convert days into hours, we multiply by 24 and get our answer. If you learn the hint, it is very easy to solve. Okay, now question number D. What is given? 55 days is given. 55 days is given. We want to convert these days into hours. We will use the hint. We know that. What we know that? We know that 1 day is equals to 24 hours. 1 day is equals to 24 hours. We want to calculate for 55 days. Therefore, 55 days will be equal to 55 into 24. According to hint, multiply days by 24. So days are 55. We will multiply with 24. Okay, now multiply this 55 with 24 and get your result. Arrange 55 and 24 both the numbers column wise. Arrange them column wise and multiply. I am waiting for your answer. Okay, when we multiply 55 by 24, my result is 1320 hours. So 55 days means 1320 hours. I hope you got the same result. Note it down or take the screenshot fast so that I can move towards the next question. Okay, let us do next question, that is question number E. Question number E is, how many days given? 22 days, 8 hours. What is our question? Our question is to convert 22 days, 8 hours into hours. Convert 22 days, 8 hours into hours. It is our task, right? So, here 22 days. We can convert 22 days into hours. 8 hours is already in hours, so no need to convert this. As 8 hour is already in hours, so no need to convert this part. We will convert only days part. We will convert only days part. Okay? As 8 hour is already in hours, so no need to convert 8. We will convert only days part. So, see how we can solve this. Don't get confused, okay? Why we are not converting 8 hours? Because it is already in hours. And what is our task? Our task is to convert into hours. As 8 is already in hours, so what is the need to convert it? So we will not convert 8. We will convert only 22 days. I hope you understand. So convert 22 days 8 hours into hours. First of all, we will write the same thing. We know that 1 day is equals to 24 hours. 1 day is equals to 24 hours. Therefore, what is our question? Our question is 22 days 8 hours is equals to as 22 is written with days, and according to it, what we do, we multiply days with 24. So 22 is day, so we will multiply 22 with 24 plus 8 hours. I am denoting by H, okay? H here, H means hours. Now solve it, multiply 22 with 24 and get your answer. I am waiting for your answer. Multiply 22 with 24. Let me put it in bracket. 8 is already in hours, so I am separating it. 8 hours I am separating it. What I am doing, I am just converting 22 days into hours. So to convert 22 days into hours, I need to multiply 22 by 24. I am putting it in bracket. So solve this first. 22 multiply 24. Solve this part. Okay, so when we multiply this two, my result is 528 hour. I hope you got the same result. Plus 8 hour. Now add hour plus hour. We can add the same units. This number is also in hour. This number is also in hour. So we can add them. If one number is in minute and one number is in hour, we cannot add them. Okay? We remember these things. If units are same, then only we can add them. So it is also hour, it is also hour. Add both the numbers. So when we add both these numbers, my result is 536 hours. Or you can write hours. So it means 22 days 8 hours means how many hours total? 536 hours. Note it down or else take the screenshot. Now question number F. Question number F is, how many days given? 41 days, 12 hours given. 41 days, 12 hours we want to convert into hours because 12 hours is already in hours. So no need to convert this 12 hours. We will only convert 41 days. Okay. So we know that 1 day is equals to 24 hours. Therefore, 41 41 days, we will multiply 41 with 24 hour, bracket close, plus 12 hour is left, so write plus 12 hour. Okay, now multiply, now solve this bracket, multiply 41 with 24. I am giving you some time, multiply both the numbers properly. Multiply 41 with 24. Multiply 41 with 24 hour. Okay, when we multiply both the numbers, when we multiply 41 with 24 in rough work, my result is 984 hour. Now plus 12 hour. In the next step, add both the numbers, 984 plus 12, add both the numbers. Why we can add them? Because they are with the same units. Both are in hours. So we can add them. So after adding, my result is 996 hour. So 41 days, 12 hours means 996 hours. Note down question number F or take the screenshot. In your copy you will write very systematically. Again I am reminding you, write all the things very properly and systematically with all the correct spellings. Take the screenshot. Now next question, question number G. Question number G is 49 days, 20 hours. 49 days, 20 hours is given. And we want to convert it into hours. As 20 is already in hours, we will not convert 20 hours. We just convert 49 days. So we know that 1 day is equals to 24 hours. Therefore, 49 days, 20 hours is equals to, bracket open, we are just converting 49 days into hours. So to convert a days into hours, we have hint. What is the hint? Multiply day by 24. So we will multiply this 49 with 24. 49 multiplied by 24 hour. Bracket close, plus 20 hours. Now in the next step, solve with this bracket. This bracket says that multiply 49 with 24. So arrange both the numbers column wise in rough work. Arrange 49 and 24 column wise and multiply. And tell me the answer. Multiply both the numbers. Numbers, my result is 1176 hour. When we multiply these two, my result is 1176 hour. Don't forget 20 hours. Now in the next step what we will do? We will add both the numbers. We can add them because both are in hours. So before adding, first check the units. Both are in hours, so we can add. If one is in minute or second or other is in hours, we cannot add them. To add, we need to match the units. So both the units are hours, so add them. So after adding both the numbers, my result is 1196 hour. Which means 49 days 20 hours means 1196 hours. This is how we can convert the given days into hours. Now I am doing question number I for you. Question number I. Question number I. What is given? 78 days. 78 days are given, right? 78 days are given and you want to convert these days into hours according to question. Convert into hours. Days is given, convert to hours. What is the trick? Trick is multiply the days by 24. So solve. We know that 1 day is equals to 24 hours. Therefore 78 days. What we do to convert days into hours? We multiply these days with 24. 78 multiply 24 hours. Multiply both the numbers. Arrange both the numbers column wise and get your answer. Arrange them column wise. Question number I we are doing. Arrange them properly and tell me the answer. When we multiply, my result is 1872 hour. So 78 days means 1872 hours. Okay. Now note down the homework. Question 1, part homework, exercise 11.1, question 1, part H, J, K and L. H, J, K and L are your homework. Solve these 4 questions by yourself and check your answers from back side of your book. Okay. Out of 12 questions, I have performed 8 for you. Out of 12, I performed 8 for you. So I hope you can solve just only 4 questions. Okay, for your practice. H, J, K and L, try to solve by yourself and check your answers from back side of your book. I hope you got the concept how we convert days into hours. So our today's class over here. We will meet in another lecture with new concept. Till then, complete your homework and your classwork copy systematically. Bye bye students.